Are you ready to witness the astonishing transformation from a simple image to heartbreaking animation? Well, you've come to the right place. Prepare to be amazed as I unveil the secrets behind this incredible journey. From this to this, in the blink of an eye, I was able to achieve the mesmerizing animation you saw at the beginning using just a single image. Trust me, it happened so fast that I was left in awe of the final result. And guess what? In this video, I choose the Viking style as the protagonist of my animation, but the possibilities are endless. You can achieve even greater results by using different styles like anime, fantasy, or even your favorite cartoon characters. It all depends on your unique vision and creative needs. To achieve this video, I'll use Pika AI to transform my image into animation, after which I will take it up a notch and sprinkle some extra excitement with the help of After Effects. Yes, you heard me right. All you need to do is to log into Pika Lab, then navigate to one of their free Discord servers. In this case, I'll choose number 4, but feel free to explore and choose the one that suits your preferences. To get started, I typed prompt. Just insert prompt into the search bar, but before that, make sure to click and insert the image you intended to work with. So I'm going to navigate to my PC now to select the image I want to work with. I'm looking for the right image, this one. So after you've inserted your image, so now that my image is in place, it's time for me to unleash the power of this AI. Just insert the word prompt. So after the word prompt, I inserted warrior sword swing and hit enter. The beauty of Pika Lab AI is that it brings your imagination to life, allowing you to explore endless possibilities with any style you desire. Eagerly waiting for the magic to unfold, guys. And sure guys, Pika AI has worked its wonders, generating an animation that surprised my wildest expectations. Adobe After Effects. So once my generation is complete, I'm going to open After Effects now to import my video. Click on File, Import, click on File, select the video that was generated. So the video, you can see the video has been imported. So now I have to bring the video into the scene, just drag and drop. There you go. However, before diving into camera animations, let's remove the watermark that was placed on our video. Nobody wants to see Pika Lab, so I'm going to use my pen tool. Though After Effects is armed with the pen tool, simply select the areas occupied by the watermark. With this incredible software, I added some mind-blowing camera transformations to enhance the animation. It's a simple technique that makes a world of difference. With the Content Aware panel open, a simple click on the Content Aware button works its magic. Seamlessly, it's going to remove the watermark and leaving us a clean canvas for our masterpiece. Just remember to save your file before proceeding. After this, it's time to bring our animation to life. So I'm going to add a camera, right click and you insert a camera. Just can give any name. I'm going to give the name of the camera, warrior camera. So feel free to choose any name that resonates with your project. The next thing I'm going to insert is a new object. The camera will only work if you pair it with a new object. Now the camera and the new object needs to be linked together. Once they are linked together, a simple click on the spiral icon will establish the connection, therefore allowing the camera to control our scene. You can see I have keyframe. You have to know that animating the camera in After Effects is a breeze. Under the transform options, I focus on animating the position of the zoom camera. The X position is responsible for controlling the camera's zoom. And always make sure to fine tune it to achieve the desired effect. So that's what I'm trying to do now. I just keep on previewing. You have to make sure that with each adjustment you make by previewing your scene, the camera animation will come to life, captivating your sense and leaving them in awe. I think now it's time for me to add some extra touch of finesse. Let's apply an easy in After Effects to our camera keyframes. So I'm going to go to my curve panel by clicking on the curve icon. There you see a curve, the points of your keyframe. So what I have to do is just to select my last point and take it a little bit up. That's after I've already applied the easy in keyframe. You can see now that the animation gained a smooth and polished transition, elevating it to a new height. Now you just need to preview and make sure that the animation is exactly what you wanted. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey of creativity and animation. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more captivating content that will inspire and entertain. Stay tuned for more future videos as we continue to explore the limitless possibilities of animation together. Until next time, keep creating and keep dreaming.